Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've already signed in. Now head straight to Trash so you can recover the file. On the web, click Trash in the left menu. On mobile, open Menu, then Trash, and scan the list. Use the search box to filter by name, type, or owner to find it faster. Once you locate the file, select it. You'll see Restore as an option. Do this now because files in Trash are auto-deleted after 30 days, so act quickly to preserve data. Once you select Restore, Drive returns the file to its original folder and maintains links and permissions when possible. If the original folder no longer exists, Drive places the file in My Drive. Make sure to move it back to the right folder after restoring. If you recover many items, use checkboxes to restore in bulk. This saves time. Also, check the activity pane to understand who removed the file. After restoring, open the file to confirm it's intact. Use version history if content looks wrong, and then move the file to the desired folder. Make sure sharing settings are correct and notify collaborators so workflows resume. If you can't find the file in Trash, it might be permanently deleted, owned by someone else, or preserved in Google Vault. Troubleshooting tip: if missing, immediately contact your Google Workspace admin. They can check Vault admin logs or perform advanced recovery options that you cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.